I made a tape template of what I want to do with the swing arm. So I'll make a tab here at the bottom. That's where the shocks will mount. And then I'll hook the other end of the shocks. They'll tuck up underneath here. I'll make a plate or something in here to hook to with this end of the shock. And then this end, I'll have a piece of round that'll have a shoulder bolt, and it'll pivot in there. So I've already taken this out, this pin out of the swing arm. And then what I'm gonna do is cut here and here. I'll take this piece out and then see what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna build this up. Got pretty much everything ready, so I'm gonna do some cutting. I cut these pieces out of the original swing arm, knocked up this solid square, and just kind of tacked it on there for now. And what I'm thinking is doing some twists in here, because this whole triangle is gonna pivot and it's gonna need room in between here to be able to ride. And if I put an air ride on it, I wanna be able to slam it or go full height. So this is just temporary, just to make sure that everything's square. I'm gonna get going on this center piece in here that the shock will mount to. These shocks need a place to mount underneath there. So I just copied the holes and mapped it out here on a piece of angle iron. I'll get my holes in it first, and then I'll shape my piece. The bushings went in there nice. 13/16, then I used a little rat tail file to just kind of massage them in there. So on to the next hole. There it is all together. Now I'm gonna work on the other end with the shoulder bolt. I'm gonna take a piece of round and weld some nuts into it for that. There it is together. Got the round piece cut. Bushings are in place. I'm gonna weld that gusset in there, and then I'm gonna carve out some more room in here, and then fit it in and try to lose as much weight as I can, but keep as much structural integrity as I can. And then on this end, I'll either come off with a flat or come off with two C's or a big C. Not quite sure yet, but I'll make it really robust, because this is a main part that's gonna be taking the brunt of the beating. It's not a hugely heavy bike, but still, I wanna make sure that I got enough stability, but enough lightweight as well.